Hello, Professor Lui. Thank you for your patience to listen my introduction about myself. First of all, I'd like to appreciate that you teach me this way recording a video to improve my interview skill. Well, I'm gonna introduce myself through several aspects: my objective, my technical skills, and the projects I have done, and my working experience, and also my education background. I graduated May 2018, a master degree majoring in software engineering in University of Detroit, Mercy, and I have got my bachelor degree mechanical engineering in Zhuhai College of Jilin University in China in July 2014. Currently, I am looking for a position related to web application developer because I have a passion to develop a fancy website to our users, and also provide a user-friendly and concise website to our customer. I hope the user can get what they want and easily, and feel beneficial from our products, our website. For my technical skills, I have mastered several programming languages such as Java, C++, and Python and PHP. For the web technology, I am familiar with the front end and the back end, so I mastered the HTML, CSS, and the JavaScript well, and I'm still keep on learning the new technology such as React and Angular and Spring in order to make the website more interactive and more fancy. For the web tools I used frequently before, such as Dreamweaver, Joomla, and WordPress. Some other skills and tools or technology I have mastered or even have some experience, you can reference to my resume I have already listed here. And for the projects I have done, I listed 3 projects here. The first project currently I still work on is that I worked as volunteer as intern in Association of Chinese American to help them design and maintain their website. I have already designed 2 pages for them, which are photo director and gallery. If you have time, you can have a look on the official website of ACA. I have used technology such as JavaScript, CSS, and HTML. Other than this, I also assisted with our communication specialist to publish some news and some posts almost every day when I work there, and also design some flyers, booths, etc. For the second project, it is an online training project called Cloud and React-based social network. Basically, this website provides some fancy features. For example, user can post the images and videos in their browser. They can upload it, and then the other user or his friends can check them out to see their post. And more fancy feature we have, it is we can use the geolocation API and Google Map API to ensure we can identify and mark the user's location in the Google Map. We also using the Ant Design and the React Router v4 and JWT such technology to ensure our user interface is user-friendly and attractively, and make sure the website is security. Okay, the third project I have done is a school project. It is called Flight Reservation System. We totally have 3 group partners work together. We selected the requirements from our professor regarding the flight reservation system. Then we created the software specification, and then we get into the design stage. We using the user case diagram, UML class diagram to design the software architecture based on our software requirements specification. And then we get into the implementation phase. Means we start coding our project, coding our system. We using the Java, HTML, CSS, and MySQL program language to fulfill this system. We use the JDBC to connect the front end and back end, and after the implementation, we also test our system using the test case, including the white box and the black box technology. And finally, we completed 65 pages of documentation of the entire software life cycle. Okay, those are the briefly introduction about my projects. Then I'm gonna talk about a little bit about my working experience. As you can see, I have 3 working experience. They are, first is what I currently work in Association of Chinese American. The second one is I worked as manager assistant in China for around 2 years to help my manager to deal with different kind of stuffs. For example, I have to manage and supervise our workers to work on their schedule and guide how they work each day, and I also have to repair also manage our facility and deal with the tax, something like this. And the third working experience, it's an intern experience. I worked in a factory called Zhejiang Tiankang Controls Company. Majorly, I design and manufacture the welding fixture mold in there for 3 months. I have learned how to design and manufacture the welding mixture mold there. So basically, from my working experience, I have learned a lot. I have learned how to cooperate with other partners, how to I also realized the technology and details is very important in my work. So I have to enhance my skills in order to fulfill the tasks my boss or supervisor assigned to me. So thank you for your patience to listen whole my introduction again. Hopefully you can get more familiar with me. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Okay, by the way, I also have to answer 2 questions. Previously, you asked me what is my strength and what is my weakness. For my strength, I think I am passionate at web development. I like design something associated with art. I want to offer. I like to deal with the user interface and give user a good user experience. So this is my strength. For my weakness, I think sometimes I was work too much. I'm lack of physical exercise, so sometimes I should get out of my work and do some exercise in order to get more energetic and refresh mind. So thank you. That's all about me. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.